When families go through probate, one of the questions I hear all the time is, what exactly does a probate attorney do? And the truth is, a lot more than people realize. I'm not an attorney. I'm a realtor here in the Lake Minnetonka area who works alongside probate attorneys, not in their place. But I've had the privilege of seeing how essential their work really is. First, attorneys create the legal and intellectual structure. They file the right documents, interpret the will, ensure Minnesota law is followed, and keep everything organized and fair. Second, attorneys protect families. Probate can stir emotions or disagreements. Attorneys make sure decisions follow the will and the law, not stress or pressure. Third, attorneys clarify what goes where. Some assets go through probate, others don't. Their guidance brings clarity and relief. And here's where our roles connect. Attorneys steward the legal and intellectual dimension of probate, while realtors coordinate the material and logistical responsibilities, the work that unfolds inside the home and on the ground. When both sides work together, families feel supported from every angle. And if you're a probate attorney watching this, I'd genuinely value your insight. What do you wish more realtors understood about working with you? If you've ever had a situation where communication broke down on either side, feel free to share it. Your perspective helps families, and it helps realtors like me continue improving. Probate is a legal process, but it's also a human one. Attorneys bring clarity when families need it most. And whether you're navigating probate or simply planning your next move here in the Lake Minnetonka area, I'm always here as a steady local resource. I'm Geoffrey Serdar with Serdar & Partners Real Estate Services, and this is LakeMinnetonkaProbate.com, where we simplify the complex, honor every story, and guide families home.